How you feeling?
I'm focused.
You're focused.
Somebody's got to be the navigator of the ship.
Oh God.
I need Map Boy to give me directions, but he's not really paying attention.
He's still not paying attention.
We made a couple stops in the city of Baker, the Nevada state line, before finally making our destination and arriving to the Hoover Dam. Alright, now we're on the Nevada side. We just crossed the Nevada side. We're in the middle working our way to, the Arizona side. We're making our way to the Nevada side. So I just wanted to give you guys a look at this. Man, it's hot out here. How you doing? Just so you can get an idea of scope on how long it is. Alright, continue our walk. Alright, this is Nevada time. We are on the Nevada side. Somebody on the boat out here. Whoa. Got this guy, he's here. We're gonna go to the other side and then we're gonna head back. Get a look at this arch. This is massive. See that car going across that arch? Let's see if I can get it for you. So after leaving the Hoover Dam, we dealt with some crazy weather the whole time we were in Nevada. 1 second it's hot, the next second it's thunder and it's storming and it's raining. But exiting, we drove through Las Vegas, making our way to Utah for the rest of our road trip. So that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you guys in Utah Remember to love life, cherish life. Peace.